Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm doing, I got this really cool pyramid mold I want to use. I got some resin from Jdiction. They sent me some of their deep pour epoxy resin. It's 2 parts A, 1 part B. It says that it's ultra clear, self-leveling, high gloss finish, deep art casting mold, 0 VOCs, and low odor. I'm going to say the odor's not bad. It doesn't bother me. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. I'm going to do this in layers as well, though. I'm not going to do, obviously, it all at one time. So I'm just going to pour in some clear resin, and I'm going to put in a rose quartz crystal at the very tip of it. I just want to find something so I can put a little bit of, I'm going to pour a little bit in here. I'm going to just kind of poke down here at the bottom so I can get the air bubble out of that very bottom. Or something. Okay, then I'm going to put my crystal in here. It's kind of a triangle-ish shape, so I'm going to just kind of put it in that way. I'm super excited about this. It's so clear in the cup here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's hardly any bubbles in there. It's really nice. Just a little bit, but not too terribly much. I'm just doing 3 ounces of resin for my first part. Alright, so as you can see, I put a few rose quartz in here for my next layer. I'm going to put some more in. I just seen one that was not a, kind of had a different colorish to it. But these are just some rose quartz that I have. I'm just going to put them in there. It's kind of a purple one. Okay, and then Okay, everybody, so we're ready to do layer number 3. And I'm going to this time put some some of this pink glitter into resin, and I'm going to make a layer with that. It's really pretty. I think I have about 3 or 4 ounces here. And again, I'm using the deep pour resin from Jdiction. Guess they should probably be this way, huh? A and B, 2 parts A, 1 part B. I'm super excited they sent me these to try out. I am affiliated with them, so if you are interested in some Jdiction resin, I'm pretty pleased with them. I really am liking them. And this, I really, so far, I mean, this is the first time I've done something like this. But the odor isn't bad. It's not, yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. So I'm going to go ahead and put down my glitter here. Okay, everybody, I'm going to do, I think this will be the fourth or fifth layer. I'm going to do, so I did the last layer I did with this pink glitter, real fine. This time I'm going to use this really cool glitter that I got from Michael's. Y'all, I got to go back and get more. Let me tell you this. I don't know if you can see, but I'll try to pull it up so I zoom down so you can see it closer. But it has little hearts in here. Little pinkish hearts with the purple glitter. It's so adorable. Just look at that. So yummy. So this will be the next layer here. One thing I have noticed with this resin and with as far as what I've been doing so far, yeah, so the first layer I did, I waited only 24 hours to put in my second layer, which I should not have. I should have waited. It says curing time says 48 to 72 hours, but which I think that you definitely want to wait, because I did it the next day, 24 hours later. And then the next day I looked again and it looked like, because first I did clear resin with a chunk of rose quartz. Then my second layer was some rose quartz tumbles. And when I kind of looked at it through the side, it looked like some of those rose quartz tumbles were kind of falling down. So I don't think it stayed straight across. So definitely with this, you definitely want to wait like it says to. I thought it would be okay since I wasn't pouring as deep as I like that first layer. But definitely, I'm waiting 2 days for each layer instead of just one, just to be on the safe side, because I really want it to be, you know, more perfectly layered. But I do think that that first one is not going to be so straight across layered. But yeah, I'm very excited. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Like, and let me tell you, I don't want to tell you this, but these glitters are $2.99, and I can't remember, were they $2.99 or were they on sale for $1.99? I can't remember, but this was so jammed packed full. When I first opened it, like you can see, like I dumped quite a bit in there, and you can still see how full it is. Like it was all the way to the brim full of glitter, which is amazing. And you know, like with these that you get from Walmart, I think Michael's has them as well. They have this circle in here, so you're kind of not getting as much glitter. It says 2.5 ounces, and this is 2.13 ounces, so I guess it's a little bit bigger container, but this was filled to the brim. This, you know, not so much. But anyway, so here we have our fourth layer down, and yeah, we'll bring you back in 2 days for the next layer. Thanks for watching, everybody. Can't wait to get it all done and unmolded. It's gonna be so pretty. All right, everybody, we're back for I think 1, 2, 3, 5, my 5th layer. I lost count. This time I'm going to use this pink color here. It's deep pink. It's Rollo Pearlescent Pigments. It's a brand that I got off of Amazon. It's beautiful. So pretty. It's just gorgeous. It's a really pretty pink. Hey, everybody. So we're back to do the reveal. I'm going to demold the pyramid. And the resin that I did use was the Jdiction Deep Pour Epoxy Resin, where you mix 2 parts A to 1 part B. I'm kind of excited for this. Oh, look at all that prettiness in there. Oh, it turned out so pretty. The colors are really pretty. I don't see a lot of bubbles, so that's good. The one thing I did, like I said, I noticed when I first did the second layer, like this resin does need a little bit more curing time in between. It says it takes 48 to 72 hours for curing time. So when I did it the first time, when I put the second layer on, I only did it 24 hours. And then some of the rose gold tumbles kind of sunk down a little bit. So you definitely need to wait a little bit longer to do your next layer. But it is so pretty. You can see it good. Got the rose quartz at the top, the rose quartz tumbles, all the different pretty layers. But you guys will have to tell me what you think. I'm really pleased with this resin. Like I said, it's really clear. That turned out really well. Just have to wait a little bit extra longer, just a little bit longer than most resins where you'd have like 24 hours and then you can kind of do work with it, but to do the layering, but that's okay. We'll know next time, so we'll just wait a little bit longer. But yeah, I'll put a link in the description for Jdicson's deep pour epoxy resin. If you guys are looking to do some deep pours, this is really good resin. I'm pretty pleased with it, just for the fact that there's not a lot of air bubbles in there, because that's what I was worried about the most. So pretty. And if you could see this layer here, I don't know if you can see it or not, but you can kind of see all the way across through the glitter. It's so cool. Very cool. But I do thank everybody for watching. Hope you guys are all being healthy and safe, and have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye.